So this tutorial is just to kind of show you how to make a thought map or a bubble map. You may have done this before in maybe your English class or history class, where you have a topic in the middle and then you have lines and circles, and you're just kind of putting your thoughts together about what you learned. And so I want to show you how to make that in Google Drawing. So the first thing you want to do is when you go to Google Drive, don't go to Google Docs or Google Slides, like look up Google Drive, D-R-I-V-E, okay? And it should bring you all the things that are in your specific drive. Then you want to go to where it says New. So click on New, okay? And you see here you have folder, file upload, folder upload if you want to organize stuff, Google Docs, Sheets, Slides, things you're used to. But if you click on More, you can see here that you have a whole bunch of different things. You can go to Google Forms, Google Drawings, okay? So go to Google Drawings, okay? And you're going to get this right here. It just looks like a little sheet of paper. If you don't like the checkered background, I'm not a big fan of the checkered background, you can right click, and then where it says background, you can just change it to white. And there it's just a piece of white paper. All right, so to add your different pieces, you're going to go to Insert, and you can add an image if you like. Different things, we'll be working with this often, so you may be letting to see adding an image or adding a text box. I'm going to show you how to do that next. Adding shapes, a table, like if you want to do like a 2x3 table, a chart, the chart. So if you want to like do a chart from maybe your Google Sheets, diagrams, you can do word art, and you can do lines. We're going to show lines in a second. So I'm going to do shape, and I'm going to do, I'm going to choose a, I'm going to choose, let's see if I can find an oval. I'm going to choose oval. It says oval. It looks like a circle. And I'm just going to use my little arrow, and I'm going to draw there. Okay. Again, if you are not a big fan of this blue, you just can click on the little paint and make it transparent. And there you go. So you draw your item, and then you go ahead and hit Insert, and you're going to hit Text Box. And you're going to draw a little text box in the middle, and then you can write compounds, or you could write elements. How about that? Elements, because most things start with elements. Okay, and you can make it bigger, wherever you center it, however you want to make it look. Okay, I'm not going to do fancy stuff. So I have elements. So then I want to say from elements, I want to draw the fact that you can make compounds. So again, I'm going to draw a line. So I went to line and I added line, and now I'm going to do shape. Okay, and so I'm going to do another shape, and this time I'm going to do, looks like a little square, rectangle, the edges. Again, not a big fan of that color, so I'm going to make it transparent. And then again, insert my text box, and I'll write here elements pure, okay? Because elements are pure, you know, and then I'll do, so I'll put pure, and then I might do single. You may have to do more than one drawing, that's okay. You can, however you want to put your thought bubbles, or if you do elements, you do compounds, and you do pieces off of here, and you can make it work any way you want. And then, of course, you're just going to have to submit it online through Canvas. If you do have any questions, feel free to reach out. You can email me, you can text me, you can DM me, you can try to video conference me if we need to. We'll just get this work, okay? Hope you're staying safe.